everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and in this video I will show you how to download and install Safari on Windows 11. The solution is super simple, but all you require is to have a browser installed on your PC. So just go to your browser and then simply access this link that I will also post in the description below so you can download the Safari browser. So while you're here on the website, just click on the Download Now button, then select again Download the Mirror, and afterwards just wait a bit until the download procedure will start. As you can see, Windows now asks you where to save this setup, so just save it on your desktop for example and wait until the download is finished. Now go to your desktop and you can see that the setup is downloaded. Double click it and then wait until the installation wizard shows up. Now just click on Next. Make sure to accept all the terms in the license agreement, so make sure to read them as well if you want to. Then press on Next again. In here you can decide if you want to install Safari desktop shortcuts, or if you want to make Safari the default browser for all users, or if you want Safari to automatically update. I will try to untick all of them because I don't want any of these options, and then proceed with the next option. Now you can just make sure to select a location for where Safari you want to be installed, and lastly just press on the install button. Now you can wait a bit until the installation procedure is finished. This can take a bit of time, so don't lose patience. Now you can just press on the finish button and you will see that you just installed the Safari browser. And that's it. Super simple, isn't it? As usual, for more information and details you can check the article in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, just make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.